Assalamualaikum. My name is Megat Azri Izani bin Ehsan. Registration number 03DEE 22F2007. Today I will present about topic 5, power meter, from course DEE 10013, measurement device. The question I got for this presentation is: a kilowatt hour meter is an instrument that being used to measure the amount of electrical energy. With the aid of suitable diagram, write briefly 4 systems in the construction of kilowatt meter. This is the diagram that I draw to help you guys see it. This is the gears, recording mechanism, and spindle. Shunt magnet is here, voltage coil, pressure coil, aluminium disc, supply voltage, braking magnet, CC, current coil, and lastly series magnet. As you can see at the drawing here, current coil and voltage coil is made up of silicon steel lamination. These two coils form a driving system. The shunt magnet and series magnet is in the moving system. In the braking system, the permanent magnet is used to reducing the rotation of the aluminium disc. The function of registry system is to record the number of rotation in the aluminium disc. It got recorded here. There are 4 systems in the construction of the kilowatt hour meter, which is first, driving system, second, moving system, third, braking system, and fourth, registering system. Firstly, I will explain about the first system in the construction of the kilowatt hour meter, which is the driving system, like I said from the drawing before. The electromagnet is the main component of the driving system. The core of electromagnet is made up of silicon steel lamination. There are 2 types of electromagnet, which is M1 and M2. This is M1, this is M2. Electromagnet M1 is known as the series magnet or the current coil, while M2 is the shunt magnet or voltage coil. As we know, the series electromagnet is excited by the load current flow through the current coil. Meanwhile, the coil of the shunt electromagnet is directly connect with the supply and carry the current proportional to the shunt voltage. This coil is called the pressure coil here. Now I will explain about the second system in the construction of kilowatt hour meter, which is the moving system. The moving system is the aluminium disc mounted on the shaft of the alloy. The disc is placed in the air gap of the 2 electromagnets M1 series magnet and M2 shunt magnet. The disc cut the flux of both magnet forces produced by the flux of M1 and M2. When the device consumes power, the aluminium disc start rotating, and after some number of rotation, the disc display the unit used by the load. The number of rotation of the disc is counted at particular interval of time. The disc is measured the power consumption in the kilowatt hours. The third system in the construction of kilowatt hour meter is the braking system. In the braking system, the permanent magnet is used for reducing the rotation of the aluminum disc. The aluminum disc induces the eddy current because of their rotation. The eddy current cuts the magnetic flux of the permanent magnet and hence produces the braking torque. And the last one of the system is the registering system. The main function of the registration or counting mechanism is to record the number of rotations of the aluminum disc. Their rotation is directly proportional to the energy consumed by the loads in the kilowatt hour. The rotation of the disc is transmitted to the pointers of the different dial for recording the different readings. The reading in kilowatt hour is obtained by multiply the number of rotations of the disc with the meter constant. Thank you. That is all.